Hi, I'm David from JCC. Today I'll be introducing the new SkyPack Pro Batten range. SkyPack Pro followed the JCC product design ethos of designing the products alongside the installer, ensuring ease of installation, breadth of range and high performance. This is a new design building on the popularity of the current SkyPack QR. We really decided to focus on this product following the great reception of the ToughLED Pro in the marketplace. Initially we wanted to migrate the features from the ToughLED Pro onto the SkyPack, and from talking to contractors a lot of the same problems popped up. From a design perspective, our goal was to maintain the current form while solving the numerous smaller problems flagged by the contractors. The steel base on the batten caused some unique problems which customers highlighted. These included warping and twisting when screwing them to the ceiling for multiple reasons, which in turn would mean reattaching the diffuser was very difficult. So with the new product, we made the base completely flat. So this allows for more flexibility during applications. We've also added numerous new screw points on the base, including these cross sections, which allow for more flexibility. We've also raised the cable entry points, so your cable gland fits in. But we've really taken into consideration all the negative points on the old product and addressed that with the new SkyPack. The second point we've addressed with this product is the BESA mounting. On the current product, it's quite difficult. You have to take the screws out of your BESA box, line up your product, put the screws back in and tighten them. On the new product, we've designed a special keyhole slot, so you don't have to take out any screws to attach the product. You simply line the current product up, twist it into place and tighten it. This will make it much faster for installations. With the current product, we found when you reattach the diffuser, it can be slightly off and the end caps can sort of overhang. This is because the clips attach to the diffuser, while with the new product, we've designed a special two-part clip, which means there's only one way to attach the product together. We've also designed corresponding angles onto the end caps, which guide the diffuser back into the base. With the ToughLED Pro, one of the most popular points was the detachable terminal block. If you're replacing a product and your cable is already coming in a certain position, you don't want to have to lengthen the cable to reach a fixed terminal block position. Having the movable terminal block is quite important, so we've chosen to migrate this feature from the ToughLED onto the SkyPack Pro. So this is a loop-in, loop-out terminal. We've included your permanent live for your emergency cables, and it's located in 4 locations on the base. So it's all about flexibility in the design and in your application. With these battens, they're obviously a lot slimmer. This makes it very difficult when you're looping in and looping out cables. So trying to maintain a lot of space inside the batten was really important for us. We've also migrated two-way cable restraints into this product. These cable restraints are positioned along the base to ensure that cables are neat and tucked away during your application. So it's a foolproof way to have a neat and tidy application. One of the major points which customers loved on the ToughLED Pro was the emergency and microwave plug-and-play modules. So we've decided to migrate these across into the batten. So what this means is that the new SkyPack Pro can be easily converted to emergency or microwave emergency on-site without any problems. This also provides a lot of flexibility for our wholesalers. So if they're stocking both products, they can use the same emergency pack and the same microwave sensor if needed. From speaking to customers, we found that detaching the diffuser is a very important part. Most battens use these carabiner hooks, which get caught between the diffuser and the base. So we've got rid of the carabiner hooks and just had this click on, click off pulling method, which makes it a lot easier. It also means that the security cables will only move in one direction, so they can't really get caught between the diffuser and the base. With the new range, we've made 4-foot, 5-foot and 6-foot options, the same as the current product. We've also made the light output exactly the same, so this will be consistent in all applications. We've increased the efficiency to 140 lumens per circuit watt, so your power has dropped, but your output is exactly the same. The product comes in 4000K as standard. We've upgraded it to be IP40 and comes with a 5-year extended warranty. This was really a watershed moment for JCC. It proved to us that designing with the contractor in mind really was a great success.